Hello children, the last class you learnt about letter E. Which letter is this? Letter E. This is capital letter E and this is small letter e. The sound of the letter is A. A. This is letter E and the sound of the letter is A. Can you say the words with the phonic sound? A, elbow, a, elbow, a, egg, a, envelope, a, elf, a, elephant, a, engine. Can you repeat? This is letter E and the sound of the letter is A. A, elbow, a, envelope, a, egg, a, elephant, a, elf, a, engine. So, we are going to do the first activity for letter E. For this activity, you need a tray with sand. You can either use rava. We are going to write letter E. The sound of the letter is A. Now, you have to take your pointer finger. You have to draw a sleeping line, a small sleeping line, go up and a forward curve. Letter E. I'll show you once again. A small sleeping line, go up, a forward curve. Letter E. Now children, we are going to write on the 4 lines. This is your 4 line and we are using only second and third line for writing letter E because letter E is a short letter. Letter E is a short letter. So, we are going to write. For this, you take your pencil. In between the second and third line, you are going to draw a small sleeping line, then forward curve. Again, a small sleeping line, go up, touch the line and a forward curve. Again, a small sleeping line, go up, touch the line and a forward curve. Letter E and the sound of the letter is A. Then again, in between the second and third line, you are going to draw a small sleeping line, go up and touch the line and a forward curve. Again, small sleeping line, go up and touch the line and a forward curve. Small sleeping line, go up and touch the line and a forward curve. Letter E. Now you have the worksheet. Now children, this is your next worksheet for letter E. I'll read out the question. Follow the direction and write letter E inside the outline. Trace over the daughter letters. Now, as I told you, letter E is a short letter. First, you have to draw a sleeping line, go up and a forward curve. Again, I will tell you, sleeping line, go up and a forward curve. Letter E. Now, we have the letters here in the 4 line. Again, you have to hold your pencil. You have to hold your pencil properly using 3 fingers. Parents, your guidance is very much important. Small sleeping line, go up and a forward curve. Again, small sleeping line, go up and a forward curve. Letter E. You have to complete the worksheet. Now, you can see the pictures. You have to Say with the sound a, egg, a, engine, a, envelope, a, elephant, a, elbow. You have to color these pictures. Now we have the next worksheet. 4 line. As I told you, we are using only second and third line. First you have to hold the pencil and keep your pencil here in between the second and third line. A small sleeping line, go up and touch the line, then a forward curve, letter E. Then again a small sleeping line, go up and touch the line and a forward curve, letter E. Again small sleeping line, go up and touch the line and a forward curve, letter E. You have to complete the worksheet. Now we have the activity worksheet for letter E. I'll read out the question. Color the pictures which starts with the sound of letter E. Color the pictures which starts with sound of letter E. Here you can see the pictures of some objects. You have to color only the pictures starting with letter E. Now we just go through this. You have to find out the pictures with letter E. You can see here the sound of letter E is A. See here you can see a envelope. So you have to color it. Only the pictures with a sound you are coloring. Now you can see a elf. So you are coloring that. Now I am going to color a egg, a elephant, to say the sound a elephant. Color only the pictures with a sound. Now the next question is find the way through letter E. You have to find out the way. Now you have to take a pointer and find out the way using. Slowly you have to find out and complete the picture. The next question. Now find the letter, capital letter E and small letter E. Color the capital letter E with yellow color and small letter E with red color. You have to take your yellow and red color. Now you have to color the capital letter E using yellow color. You have to take your yellow color. First you have to find out where is capital letter E. Find out and then color. Here you can see capital letter E. So I am coloring. Then again you can see here. Then you have to color the small letter E using red color. You have to take your red color and start coloring like this. And find out where is small letter E again. You have to complete. Now the next question is say the name of each picture and circle the letter that matches the beginning sound. You have to say the name of each picture. You can see here the first picture. Which picture is this, children? A engine. A means you have to circle the letter E. So, you have to take your pencil and circle the letter. Now, look here. Which picture is this? A egg. A. Which letter has a sound? Just now you learned. Now you have to take your pencil and circle here. Now what is this? A elephant. A elephant. So you have to circle. Like this you have to complete. So children, we learnt letter E. This is capital letter E and small letter E. The sound of the letter is A. The sound of the letter is A. Can you repeat? A elbow, a egg, a envelope, a elf, a elephant, a engine. So children, you have to say the words using the phonic sound. Hope you understood letter E. See you in the next class. Bye.